portable nebulizers have revolutionized respiratory care, offering convenience and relief for individuals on the go. Among the various options available, mesh nebulizers stand out as efficient and compact devices. These handheld inhalers utilize advanced mesh technology to convert liquid medication into a fine mist, ensuring effective and fast relief for respiratory conditions such as asthma, COPD, or allergies. Designed with travel in mind, portable nebulizers are lightweight and easily fit into bags or pockets. They provide a hassle-free solution for those constantly on the move, allowing for quick and discreet treatment whenever and wherever it's needed. Whether you're on a business trip or exploring a new destination, these nebulizers for travel ensure that respiratory issues won't disrupt your plans. Additionally, some portable nebulizers offer the versatility of functioning as a steam inhaler, providing soothing relief for congestion or sinus problems. With their compact design and multifunctionality, these devices empower individuals to take control of their respiratory health, offering peace of mind and comfort wherever life takes them. Hi! Explore intriguing insights on portable nebulizers, uncover compelling findings, and access in-depth reviews of top-notch choices. Stay informed with thorough assessments of the best options in the market. In our comprehensive evaluations, the Meowyn portable nebulizer emerges as a formidable contender, securing the 5th position among its peers in the world of portable nebulizers. This nebulizer utilizes cutting-edge ultrasonic technology to generate mist particles smaller than 5 micrometers, enabling rapid penetration into the respiratory tract and lungs, thereby enhancing drug absorption efficiency. Notably, its clever design minimizes drug residue, reducing wastage significantly. Moreover, the unique composition of its components makes this portable nebulizer remarkably easy to clean, ensuring it's always ready for subsequent use. The Meowyn nebulizer for adults boasts a built-in rechargeable battery, offering the flexibility of operation without being tethered to a power source. It can be effortlessly charged using the provided 5V/2A current charging cable, providing uninterrupted treatment whether you're in bed, working on your laptop, or on the move. Its compact and lightweight design allows you to slip it into your pocket, liberating you from the constraints of treatment schedules and eliminating the need to carry bulky, full-size nebulizers. This versatile nebulizer caters to both children and adults, making it suitable for the whole family, including pets. It comes complete with 2 face masks and a mouthpiece, providing flexibility in inhalation options. Owning a Meowyn nebulizer proves to be a cost-effective and hygienic choice compared to renting one from a pharmacy. Securing an impressive 5th place in our assessments, the VCBB brand has firmly established itself as a key player in the portable nebulizers market. The VCBB portable nebulizer is a versatile and effective respiratory care device that caters to both adults and children. This nebulizer offers several noteworthy features that make it a compelling choice for those dealing with respiratory issues. One of the standout features is its ultrasonic technology, which produces a fine cool mist that's easily inhaled deep into the lungs. This ensures efficient delivery of medication and quick relief from conditions like asthma, bronchitis, or allergies. Additionally, it operates silently, making it ideal for nighttime use or in quiet environments. The VCBB nebulizer is user-friendly, with a straightforward setup and easy-to-use controls. Its compact size and lightweight design make it a great travel companion, ensuring that you can maintain your respiratory health wherever you go. The device also includes a generous medicine cup capacity, reducing the need for frequent refills during extended treatment sessions. Furthermore, it comes with a mask suitable for children, making it an excellent choice for families. Overall, the VCBB Ultrasonic Nebulizer Cool Mist Steam Inhaler is a reliable and efficient solution for managing respiratory conditions. Its user-friendly design, quiet operation, and portability make it a top choice for those seeking effective and convenient respiratory care. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. MAYLUCK has achieved a well-deserved third place in our rankings, firmly establishing itself as a pioneering force in the portable nebulizer industry. The MAYLUCK nebulizer utilizes jet technology, where tubing connects it to a compressor. This compressor generates high-velocity compressed air, which transforms a saline solution into an inhalable aerosol. In comparison to mesh nebulizers, the jet nebulizer offers greater power and faster atomization, typically depleting a saline solution in just 10 minutes compared to the 17 minutes required by mesh counterparts. The resulting particles, ranging from 0.5 to 10 micrometers, significantly improve respiratory ease, especially when used regularly, enhancing cost-effectiveness. The MAYLUCK nebulizer is known for its user-friendly operation, making it suitable for both the elderly and children. A simple switch press sets it into motion, rendering it perfect for home use, ensuring reliable and efficient nebulization. It's an invaluable tool for addressing breathing issues promptly and preventing them from impeding your daily activities. With the MAYLUCK nebulizer, you can enjoy a more convenient and fulfilling life, free from the constraints of respiratory problems, and experience improved well-being and happiness. APAUS has clinched a remarkable second-place position in our assessments, showcasing their commitment to innovation through their cutting-edge portable nebulizer. This nebulizer leverages advanced mesh technology, featuring an impressive 2,800 microholes in a compact area. This innovation enables the continuous generation of a finer, more voluminous mist, delivering medication directly to the lungs for swift relief from various respiratory symptoms, ensuring effortless breathing. The dedication to user-centric design is evident in APAUS's meticulous adjustments to atomization rates, catering to both adults and children. The strong mode, nebulizing at 0.25 milliliters per minute, suits adults, while the mild mode, nebulizing at 0.15 milliliters per minute, ensures better absorption for children. The intuitive interface with 3 lights simplifies mode selection, while a self-cleaning feature, activated by a 5-second long press, prevents clogging and maintains the nebulizer's optimal performance. The inclusion of a high-efficiency German AI chip not only guarantees noiseless and stable nebulization but also minimizes power consumption, with noise levels below 25 dB, ensuring peaceful operation, even for babies. APAUS provides a comprehensive range of accessories to accommodate various nebulization requirements. Remarkably lightweight at just 0.25 pounds, this nebulizer is user-friendly for children and features an inclined liquid cup design to minimize liquid residue, allowing users to experience the benefits while sitting or lying down. APAUS's commitment to quality and user satisfaction is evident in this exceptional portable nebulizer. Don't forget to subscribe or give a like. Vicks, a beacon of unwavering dedication to excellence, has demonstrated its commitment to innovation through its exceptional range of portable nebulizer solutions. Among these, the Vicks Personal Sinus Steam Inhaler shines as a testament to their relentless pursuit of delivering relief and comfort to individuals experiencing respiratory distress. The Vicks Personal Sinus Steam Inhaler offers the soothing warmth of steam for temporary relief from coughs, congestion, and allergies, with a quick 5 to 15-minute treatment time. It can be enhanced with menthol Vicks VapoPads for added comfort. Notably, this steam inhaler eliminates the need for filters and is designed to function seamlessly with tap water, simplifying its use. This personal steam inhaler is designed with user comfort in mind, featuring an ergonomically designed face mask for precise delivery of germ-free mist. The gentle steam permeates nasal, sinus, and throat passages, providing swift relief. We highly value your input and insights regarding portable nebulizers. Your comments in the section below are incredibly important to us, as they play a pivotal role in advancing our mission and ensuring our success. Your active engagement is sincerely appreciated, and we thank you for your valuable contributions and participation.